Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are in room 83-215. This is a room tour video. So we are in building 83 at Bahia Akumal Luxury, Akumal. And this is the adults only building that we are in. And this services only adults. And when we come in here, we have some closet space. So this room is all decorated in white, in a white ambience. So when we come in here, we have a closet space, and then we have a safe in which you can use to store your passports and your important documents. Then we have some more closet space in here, and this is where you can store your clothes, your dresses for the ladies. And then they give you a robe as well. They don't give you slippers, or at least we did not receive any slippers. So that you can ask, you could actually request on the Bahia app under room services, and you can request anything from ice to water, extra water, anything that you need for your room, you can do through that. So this is a double bedroom that we have. So we have 2 double beds that we requested. So this is if you're staying with friends or less people, with two separate people that are not part of the family, you can definitely get one, you know, the double beds if you like. So here it comes with the vanity table. So it has a headboard here, and you can store the phone. It has the phone here with that you could use. It has one light. So one thing we noticed is that there's not a lot of lighting in this room. So it's quite dark actually. There's really not a lot of lighting and stuff. So it's been a little bit dark in terms of, yeah, at night especially. So they have a light lamp there, as well as one over here, and then the one on the ceiling there, and that's it. They don't have any other one up here. So it's been quite a bit dark in here to try and get things ready, or if you need higher lighting, you might just need to go to the washroom or into near one of the lamps. So here we have a couch, so it comes with a couch. Sorry, right now we have our stuff to store, so there really isn't a lot of luggage storage. There is one luggage storage table here, but it only fits one luggage at a time. So that's why we were kind of spreading out over here over the room. So this is a bed, but I don't believe this pulls out. So, but if you would like to get this set up, you could definitely ask the maids to set this up as a bed. If you have children, children cannot stay here, but if you have anybody extra sleeping, you can definitely have them set up as a bed, or in the regular family service area, you could do that as a bed for the children as well. So then you have it comes with this table here in the middle, and then it also comes with 2 wicker chairs as well. And then it comes with another table here, kind of like a vanity table. I kind of wish I had a mirror in the background. That'd be kind of nice in order to get dressed, to do, ladies do their makeup and stuff. But we have one over here, as you can see. Hello. And I wish it was kind of moved over there. It would make more sense, but anyhow. And then we have the TV here. It's quite a nice size TV. And then you have some more dressers here. So there's more dresser space and drawers. And then our fridge is over here. So this is the fridge for with all your drinks and stuff, and they replenish your water every day. And then if we come here to the balcony, so we have the balcony over here. Just make sure, so remember that when you open the balcony, this is affected with this is connected to the air conditioning. So it will turn off when you open the door. And then when you come in, you have a really nice balcony here. It's quite spacious. So we have a table and the 2 wicker chairs. We've been using it to dry our stuff, our wet bathing suits and stuff. So it's quite a bit of space here. And then this is our view. So we have quite a nice view, a little bit of an ocean view on the side from 83. And it's quite a big resort. All right. And then when we go back in, then you close that. And then when we go back in, we have, let's go do the toilet. We're going to go do the bathroom. Then we have another mirror here. And then here they have like a funny, like a kind of like a blind. So you can actually open it up as I've done, and it goes into the bathroom. So you can see inside the bathroom, which we're gonna go right now. So this is our washroom. So the washroom has 3 lights. It comes with the 2 sinks, 2 double sinks, which is really nice. And then it comes with another bathtub here, which is the jacuzzi tub. And then you can see there right into the room if you open those blinds. And then they have a nice hair, they have a hair dryer here, just standard hair dryer, a mirror for makeup or to make things bigger. And then we have our washroom. So this is the toilet, which is separated in between these 2 cabins. So the toilet and then the shower as well. And it's got a nice rain shower as well as the wand for your needs. And it's a really nice bathroom. It's quite spacious. So you get all the towels that you need that they replenish for you. And yeah, and that's everything that you need. And that ends our tour for today. And don't forget to click and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.